this organization. They have already started our STP system, fantastically time bound, and they are professionally absolutely immaculate, and they are giving time bound performance. The quality of STP that we are operating since 2021 is absolutely trouble free, and now we have also given them this opportunity to operate the swimming pool. The swimming pool was initiated by them, but it was not operated because of our own problems. But now they have started it, and they have done it within a span of 7 days. And today we are having a fantastic operation of the swimming pool. People are enjoying it, and I will definitely recommend the way they are conducting their profession, which is really appreciating. And we also recommend that if such people are working under the great leadership of Sri Chamoli ji, and the staffs are fantastic. They are extremely professional, and at the same time they are emotionally intelligent also, and they have considered every point, and the equipments that they have used, it belongs to a very good company, and we are 100% satisfied with their services and post services. This swimming pool is a it is situated on the hills and very difficult to be positioned. But the water filling level is very good, very good. The technical feasibility has been properly studied by them, and for this topographical reason, they are the experts, and everyone whosoever wants to start the swimming, because this is an important factor to preserve the water also, because swimming does not need huge amount of money, huge amount of water every time, and water can be recycled, water can be used with chlorine and other treatment, and we can save a lot of water. This is a myth that the water can be wasted out of that, but technically speaking, today when the temperature is increasing alarmingly high, and water scarcity is there, very good swimming could be a very helpful for the community as a whole, and people can save the water, and they are expert in this.